So the Eastern Canadian ice storm of January 1998 was probably one of the worst ice storms that Canada has ever seen. An ideal condition for freezing rain to form. We had it falling as snow, melting into rain just above the ground, and then falling on those temperatures just below freezing and icing up again. Some areas got 80 to 100 millimeters of ice. We had a large area of high pressure over Quebec, very cold. It was pumping that cold air down into southern Quebec and eastern Ontario. 25 millimeters, about an inch of ice, can cause a lot of weight load on power lines and on tree limbs. So in addition to that 25 millimeters we talk about, some areas got 4 times that. We talk about the agricultural community, the loss of life to chicken farmers, to people that had cattle where they couldn't keep the cattle warm in the barns. Massive transformer towers crumpled like they were made out of aluminum foil. The impacts from the ice storm continued long after the freezing rain ended. So the freezing rain was over with by about January the 10th, but people did not get their power back for weeks and weeks afterwards.